Incoming call report. You will choose in the same way the filters of your preference, a start date and an end date. Include internal calls. Includes calls between agents. Endpoint. Incoming calls from a specific user. Queue. Shows all queues that are created. Minimum length of call required to search. Result. You can choose if you want to view the calls that have been rejected, busy, cancelled, among others. You can see the results on the screen, downloading a CSV file, or you can send it to an email for later review. If you want to know about these and other functionalities or open a case, you can contact our customer service center. We will gladly assist you.